everybody, it's October, so that means it's time for another great pumpkin pour. I did a pumpkin pour last year and I was using more of a traditional smooth pumpkin. This year I picked one out that's got a lot of ridges on it. I just love the shape, and I'm going to see what happens on this more ridge-like pumpkin. I've got it on a turntable, which will make it a little easier. So when I get started, I'm going to start out pouring with white to get kind of a foundation, and I'm using all my happy medium colors. All the colors I'm using will be listed in the description below, but what I'm going to do is stick with some pumpkinish colors for the main thing, and then I'm going to accent it with some purple and green, which is kind of Halloween-like. So here we go with the great 2018 pumpkin pour. This is so different than pouring on a flat canvas. It's a lot of fun to just break away and do something totally different than what you normally do. This is kind of fun looking just like this. I just want to get some white coverage before I start with some colors. I got a low spot at the top, of course, so I'm going to tilt this and let it run off. There will be definitely some paint collecting in the middle, but that's okay. Here I go with some orange. I purposely chose a pumpkin that was kind of a muted orange because I wanted my paint colors to really show up and have the pumpkin be kind of more of the neutral background. Getting some nice cells. You don't often get cells on something that runs down like a waterfall. Cells usually develop better on a flat surface, but we're getting enough here to see. The gold is a little too close to the color of the pumpkin, so I'm not going to use any more gold. But pink is fun. This is one of my favorites. It's Aztec orange. We'll see how it looks. Just a little. Okay, now here comes the bright Halloween stuff. Some purple. And some green. Okay, I'm going to put an accent of black right in these crevices. Don't need a lot because it's going to run down and take care of itself. Okay, I'm taking a look at what I have. I want to add a touch of orange back into some places that looks like it needs it, just to get the orange pumpkin color back. But I don't want to obscure my purple and green. And also the black accent going through the crevices looks really nice. There's some nice streaky looks, especially up top here. Some nice streaks. I'm just going through each area with some more orange. And there'll be some pumpkin leftovers sticking out. I'm not looking to cover the entire pumpkin, although you could. And there's some cells that look like they're going to stick around where that purple is and the green. So I'm going to take one more look. Just one more look to see if I need any more orange. Maybe just a touch here. I'm going to call that good. I've got multiple colors. Again, I've listed the happy medium colors that I used in the description below. If you want to check out my happy medium paint ready to pour, it's got everything in it that you need for pouring. No mixing, no measuring, etc. Thanks to those who have tried it. Everybody's very, very pleased with it. Hope you enjoyed this pumpkin pour. If you'd like to support my YouTube channel, I've got all the links are below. PayPal, there's a PayPal link. I have an Amazon shopping page with all my favorite pouring supplies on it. It's always updated. Please check it out. Shop there if you need some supplies. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All my social media links are below. And also join my Facebook page called Paint Pouring People. Post pictures of your pumpkins or any other paintings that you've done on Paint Pouring People, and we hope to see you over there. Again, happy Halloween. Thanks for watching, and I hope you try a great pumpkin pour 2018.